What is going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just awesome today. Let's learn 3 mega famous, super fun songs from the 70s, country songs, and I call them traveling songs because you got Eastbound and Down, you know, from Smokey and the Bandit, and they're running from the cops. On the Road Again by Willie Nelson, and then Take This Job and Shove It by Johnny Paycheck, actually written by, I think, David Allan Coe. And, you know, he's walking out the door. He's not driving a truck, but whatever. So let's get to these things. They're a lot of fun. And let's begin here in E major with On the Road Again by Willie Nelson. The beginning part goes like this. On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road. Very cool. So E major, and that beginning part goes like this. You take the A string, open A string, hammer it onto the 2nd fret right there, and then the low E string. So, and if you're strumming the rest of the E major, and it's a little weird, you know, it's on the road again. That sounds a little, you know, strange. If you want to do it what I was doing a second ago, on the road again, hit the low note first. Road again. So you go on like that, then you go to an G sharp major, down to an F sharp minor, music with my friends, A major, I can't wait to get on the road, B major, and an E, like that. And when you get that, you know, it's like Travis picking with a pick. Very cool. Then after that, does a couple of those. It goes little walk up from E, 2nd fret, 4th fret of that low E string, on the road again. Now we're in A major, na, 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 na. E, on the road, A, na, 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 E, na, na, B, on the road again. Does it again. Na, 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 na. F sharp minor, A, B, E. And that's On the Road Again. Really simple. It just repeats the same thing even through the verses and the choruses and all that kind of stuff. All right, let's do the next one. This one's a blast. I'm going to grab my capo, and it's Johnny Paycheck. Take this job and shove it. Also in E major, goes like this. Take this job and shove it. Ain't working here no more. A woman doesn't have to call the reasons I was working for. I better not try to stand in my way as I'm walking out the door. So take this job and shove it. I ain't working here no more. A lot of fun this thing is, right? So E major, take this job and shove it, but does this walk up again? Same walk up. That's the open E string, 3rd fret, 5th fret of that E string, and then A. And again, you want to get that kind of picking. I'm just hitting the open A note, strumming down, up on the A major chord, and then the low E string like that. So way to just quickly get that, you know, nice Travis picking with a pick. Here no more. E, now you go to F sharp major, B, B major, E, A, E, another walk, take this A and E, B, E. Give it a good pop. Then it does this sort of sassy country thing in the middle where it goes. I'll show you those notes in a second, but let me give you the chords version if you want the easy way. It goes, well, I've been working in the this factory. That's E, all these 15 years. A, E, drowning in a pool of tears. B, back to E, a lot of good folks die. A, bills to pay. E, A, E, E, B, A. And does that like this thing. The A, that's an A major, to E. And right then, take this job and shove it. All right, but let me give you the notes. The cool little, it's like a bass line with a flanger on or something like that. It goes like this. Pretty cool. You hit the open E string, 3rd fret of the A string, open D string, 2nd, 3rd, that D string, back to open D, 5th of the A string, and 3rd of the A string. And then if you want, you can hit the 3rd of the D string real quickly before hitting the open E down there. So it goes. Like that, and then goes to the A. When it goes to the A major, does that same little, now you're on the 5th fret of the A, to the open D, 2nd, 3rd of the D string, and you keep doing that, you know, walk down. Does it again. Then to the B major, hit the B major a little bit and go like this. So that's the 3rd of the A string, open A, 5th of the low E string, 3rd, open, like that. So just pick around those notes right there, and at the end again it goes. Take this job and shove it, I ain't working here no more. So A to E, and then just keeps the original stuff we showed a minute ago. Very cool song, and again, written by David Allan Coe, and you know, he's written a bunch of those crazy honky tonk and outlaw kind of country songs like that. All right, we're gonna take the capo off, and this time we're gonna do that famous one from Smokey and the Bandit, Eastbound and Down. Man, this thing's a blast, super fun to play. It's in G major and goes like this. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. We can do what they said can be done. We got a long way to go, and a short time to get there. Eastbound, watch your bandit run. Man, this thing is so fun. G, A, F, C, D. When you do the D, add this finger right here on the 3rd fret of the high E string, or just lay your finger down like this. Do a regular D major and do a little walk up. Open D string, 2nd, 4th. That leads you back into the G. We got a long way to go, and A, F, Eastbound, and D major. Watch old bandit run. G, like that. And then the little, you know, verse, or I guess that's the chorus we just did. The verse goes, keep your foot hard on the pedal, never mind them brakes. Let it all hang out, 'cause we got run your way. And those down in Atlanta, see you in a All right, so this one's in E minor, C, never mind the breaks, let it all, A major, because we've, as a B or a B7th, we've got a run to make. E minor, does it again. Them boys are E minor, Thirsty in Atlanta. There's C in Texarkana, and we'll bring it back. A major, no matter what it takes. B, give it a good pop, and do that walk up again. Open D, 2nd, 4th, G. Eastbound and down, loaded up and trucking. We gonna do what they say can't be done. And it's got all sorts of fun solo and stuff later on. But, you know, that's another day, another lesson. All right, I'd love to know what you think about these 3 mega fun traveling country songs from the 70s. Give me some more suggestions, and I'll play them here on the channel because that's what I do. All right, catch you around. See ya.